Today we're going to learn how to make a pizza with Chef Boyardee Pizza Maker. It's easy family fun, because family fun is always hard otherwise. But with Chef Boyardee, it's easy, and it's much more fun if you're with me. And that's why you join Cooking with Kevin. So I got my stuff ready. I got, we're going to unbox it. I don't know if you can tell, it's got a little zip tie here. Yeah. Bag and another bag, and then you get this little, that's it, 2 bags of pizza dough. But the master part of this is the Chef Boyardee Pizza Maker sauce, which is absolutely delicious. So let's get to it. You need 1.25 cups very hot water, or at least pretty warm water. So we're gonna empty the 2 bags in there. That's the first bag. And here's the second bag. Oh. There we go. Now we're gonna add this really hot water from the tap. And now we got the third here. Okay, we're gonna mix that until it's all moist. Okay, now it's starting to come together. You use warm water, I think, to activate the yeast, because you gotta activate your yeast. So I have molded it into a dough ball. Kneaded it into a ball. I kneaded it into a giant yeast testicle. So I kneaded it up, and that's what you're supposed to do. So now we're going to put some vegetable oil. I'm using olive oil in this regard, and I'm going to put a teaspoon. Oh, that's way too much. All right, but that's okay. We got a teaspoon here, and we're going to drizzle this over the ball of dough. There's the ball of dough, and drizzle, 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 drizzle. All right, all drizzled. My drizzle, my nizzle, for chisel. Okay, so it's drizzled, but I got to get my hands dirty, because it's supposed to cover the whole thing, just like that. You're giving it just a thin coating of oil. So, thin coating. Alright, so then you cover it for 20 minutes. Okay, so I got it double covered, and we're going to wait 20 minutes and see what this looks like. Okay, so you gotta preheat the old oven to 425 degrees. Alright, let's see the unveiling. Towel on the top, and voila! We have a partially risen ball of dough, pizza dough. Right, we're gonna need that. So I have this pan here, cookie sheet. I put some foil on it, and I'm oiling the bottom. Hopefully that'll keep it from sticking too bad. And then we're going to put dough right there, and we're going to push it out. And there is the pizza crust ready to be baked. But we're going to add some stuff to it first. I just want to say on record, this is the best sauce. I have tested out pizza sauces, World of Walmart and Big Y, and this is absolutely the best. So, it used to include a little packet of Parmesan cheese, but I guess things aren't so rosy in the Chef Boyardee empire today. We cut the cheese. Who cut the cheesecake? That's nice mozzarella cheese. I'm going to some store-bought Parmesan on there. Oh, I'm making a mess everywhere. Messy cooking with Kevin. We're going to put this in the old oven. Alright. There we got it. Going in here, bottom. And we're going to let that sit for 15 minutes and then we're going to turn it. Oh, right in the face. Oh, glasses are fogged. Use your pot holders. Okay, you just want to turn it. This, although it looks fantastic, you gotta turn it around so it cooks evenly. And then we want to leave it for another 10 until we see it start to crisp. Woohoo! We'll see it in a second. Right in the face. And look at that. Look at that. It's that thing of beauty. So we're going to cut that up and we're going to see how it is. So there it is. I'm going to eat it and I'm going to watch some old school Doctor Who.